When did you come back from your university, Ollie?
I came back last Friday.
Why did you come back so early? Didn't you take your midterm exams?
I got seriously ill there. I got myself checked by specialists, doctors, and got good treatment, but I could not recover. My friends and my doctors asked me to go back home to the village. I would have some moments in the fresh air and pollution-free environment.
Oh, I am sorry to hear about your illness. How are you now?
I am quite well now. I feel fresh and energetic in the natural environment of the village here.
Good. Why did you fall ill?
City life is a very busy life, you know. I had to work from day to night taking tuition and earning money for my expenses. I overworked. The pollution, the smoke of traffic and factories had a bad effect on my health. That is why I could not recover there. Life is mechanical in the cities. One has no time for friends and family. Technology has changed the behavior and attitudes of people.
That is why I love to be in the village. A calm, peaceful, natural environment. Everyone has much time to sit with and talk to others. Many mild problems are solved by just sharing them with others. People are simple and honest. They have no lust for money and wealth. They live simple life. I love village life.
You are right. But both the city and village life have dark aspects too. There are no proper educational and medical facilities in the villages. Cities have modern hospitals, universities, roads, banks, markets, factories, and a lot of job opportunities.
I know, but everyone has his own choice. You should take care of your health while living at the hostel. I would suggest you not to earn on the cost of your health.
I have already decided to quit one home tuition. I will now spare some time to take rest days.
Good. Best of luck.
Thanks.